Hi, I am YouTube helper and this video is about how to convert conditional formatting to the permanent formatting. For this purpose, we must select the data, and first we must do conditional formatting. So, so you can apply any conditional format from this option. For example, I am applying highlight cell rules on greater than and applying conditional formatting on greater than 0.5. So conditional formatting is applied on this sheet, and I want to uh, convert this conditional formatting permanent, because when I clear the rules, the conditional formatting will be invisible. For example, I do clear rules from entire sheet, so conditional format is invisible. Now I'm doing undo and convert this conditional formatting on for permanent. For this purpose, I must save this sheet as web page, like HTML web page. So for this purpose, we must go on office button, then save as, and then other format, and save and go on save as options. There is many options for save as this sheet, so I select the web page. This is HTML format for this sheet. Say I select web page and then click on save button. Now the sheet is converting on HTML page. So many of features of Excel, like conditional formatting and other options and other features, and will be incompatible. So click on yes button. Now the sheet is converted on HTML web page, and so I quit from this sheet, close the sheet, and reopen this web page where I saved. So for this purpose, go on office button and press on open, and there is a sheet I saved, XYZ. Now open this sheet. This sheet is web page. Okay, now click on open. Now the web page is open, and the formatting, the conditional formatting, you can see is converted on permanent. For check this, I go to conditional formatting and go on clear rules, and go or clear rules from entire sheet. So you can see there is no change. So it's mean the conditional formatting is converted on permanent formatting. Now the for going to Excel sheet again, so you can save as it back on Excel sheet. click on open button, office button, and then go on save as and other format. And now you can select Excel workbook for going back to the Excel format. Click on yes button. Now click on save button, and you can change the name and close it. Again click on office button and again on open. Click on open, and this is the sheet which is converted permanent formatting. Click on open button. Now we are on Excel sheet now, and the conditional formatting is now is permanent. You can check again. Clear rules from entire sheet, and there is no change. So I hope you like this video. Click on like button, subscribe my channel, and click on bell icon for the notification. Bye.